Good evening everyone, it's me Tanishka Pal standing in front of you to speak about internet. What is internet? The blowing technology of modern age that make our life much easier and connected across the globe. Although networks have provided opportunity of all spheres and still there are many challenges associated with them. First, I would like to tell some advantages of internet. A handful online services which enable people to carry out their tasks while sitting at home, such as e-banking, e-reservation, e-shopping, etc. Internet provides the facility to share information with many users in an easy manner. Now disadvantage. Computer connected thought internet which prone to virus attack. This load the computer system and can result loss of users important data. Hackers attack on computer system for meeting gains. They steal money from various accounts to their own. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Good evening everyone, when I'm not present here. My topic is record yourself speaking. So this is final public speaking tip is entertain to help you recognize how you may come across to an audience when you record yourself speaking and watch it back. You may notice that you do things that you didn't even realize. This provides the opportunity to correct this in use before bringing in front of live audience. Another option is practice. So your speech is in front of friends or family members and ask for their feedback. So thank you for listening me.
Leadership is an action, not a position. Hello everyone, I am Sanasha in front of you and I am here to speak about the great topic leadership. Leadership is very important for every organization or group. Leadership is a great quality of human being. Without good leadership, organization or group cannot succeed. A good leader is a good speaker or as well as a good listener. Honesty is a key to leadership. A good leader should have self-confidence. A good leader must have good communication skills. A good leader is one who can inspire the worker to do their best. Without leadership requires continuous learning and improve self-confidence. That's all.
Occasion which falls in every 12 years and where all people take an holiday. Yes, I am talking about Mahakumbh. Like usually there are 4 type of Kumbh. Like firstly is Kumbh, second Earth Kumbh, and third is Mahakumbh, and fourth is Purna Kumbh. Like why the Mahakumbh falls in every 12 years? It has a story. Like when the Yuddha of Samudra Manthan was going, so it was a 12 days of war. So from that time the gods said that the Mahakumbh would be held in the with the gap of 12 years. And Kumbh, firstly is Kumbh. Kumbh falls in every 3 years, and Ardha Kumbh falls in every 6 years, and Mahakumbh falls on with the gap of every 12 years, and Purna Kumbh is also falls with the gap of 12 years. And now in 2025 the Mahakumbh is on its Antim Chand. That's all from my side.
A warm and pleasant good evening to everyone. I am Saif standing before you to talk about money. Money is the thing that we respect. If the person has money, so we respect the person. Why we respect the person? Because he has the money. nowadays it is happening, the people are forsaking their, it happens, people are forsaking their relatives. Why they are forsaking their relatives? Like if I talk about mother and father, our parents, they are saying that you are burden. They are saying that you are burden on us. That nowadays money is on the first level in our life, but we can't buy happiness by money. We can't buy our family by money. Money is not as important as the people are giving importance to money. That's all from.
A warm and very pleasant good evening to one and all present here. It's me Arman, and I wanted to share a discussion about which is better, hard work or smart work. So please listen to me carefully. So there are two ways to success, hard work or smart work. Hard work is time consuming, but is it effective? Not instantly, but it affect very in a big area. And smart work is low time consuming, but it affect instantly. It get result instantly, because we use technology, and technology are made for us. And if we use the technology as a key to success, so we will successful very instantly. And if we use a way to time past, so it will not be too successful. So there are two types way to success, hard work and smart work. Which is better? I think both are better to go to success. If you do hard work only, so you will not be able to successful instantly. But if you and you do smart work only, so you will get a temporary success. And if you do both things with if you do both things with the best time, so it will be a successful instantly. So thank you for listening me. That's all from my side.
Good evening, friend. This is me, Sawan, in front of you, and today I am here to speak about success. What is success? Many people struggle to achieve success. We can't get success without hard work. Many people are failed to achieve success. Success only a word to speak, but if you try to do so, you will fail. What is success? If I talk about Elon Musk, he was not successful person, but he did struggle, and now he is very successful person around the world. So that's all. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. It's me, Vinita, standing in front of you. I am going to speak about India. The name of country is India. It is a beautiful country. It is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. My country became independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. My country is democratic country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. The national flag is tricolor flag, and the national flower is lotus, and the national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and the national song is Vande Mataram, and rupees is currency in India. That's all.
Good evening, friends. This is me, Sheikh Jisha, in front of you, and my topic is a cricket player, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He was born on 24 April 1973. He started playing cricket when he was 11-year old. His full name was Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. His friend calls him a god of cricket. He started playing international matches at the age of just 16. He is an Indian player. He is an Indian player. Thank you.